How to apply for asylum in the United Kingdom. Hello, everyone. And welcome back to our channel. Seeking asylum can be a complex process, but understanding the steps involved can help individuals navigate through it successfully. So, let's get started. Before we begin, I want to clarify that I am a lawyer. However, the information provided in this video is for general educational purposes only. It's crucial to consult with a qualified immigration lawyer or seek advice from relevant government sources for guidance tailored to your specific situation. Step 1. Arrival in the UK. The first step in the asylum process is arriving in the United Kingdom. This can be through various means, such as crossing a border or arriving on a valid visa. It's important to note that seeking asylum should be done as soon as possible upon arrival. Step 2. Accessing legal advice. Seeking legal advice from an immigration lawyer or an organization that provides free legal assistance is crucial. They can guide you through the asylum application process, explain your rights, and help you understand the specific requirements. Step 3. Gathering evidence. To support your asylum claim, it's essential to gather any relevant evidence. This can include personal statements, documents, photos, or any other information that substantiates your need for protection. Consult with your legal representative to determine what evidence is most relevant to your case. Step 4. Screening interview. After submitting your asylum application, you'll be scheduled for a screening interview. During this interview, an immigration officer will ask questions about your background, reasons for seeking asylum, and any supporting evidence. It's crucial to be honest and provide detailed information. Step 5. Full asylum interview. If your case progresses beyond the screening interview, you'll be called for a full asylum interview. This interview is more comprehensive and aims to gather detailed information about your asylum claim. Having legal representation during this stage is highly recommended to ensure your rights are protected. Step 6. Waiting for a decision. After the full asylum interview, you'll need to wait for a decision from the Home Office. The waiting period can vary, and it's important to remain patient during this time. Your legal representative can help keep you informed about the progress of your case. Step 7. Decision and appeals. Once a decision is made, you'll be notified by the Home Office. If your claim is successful, you may be granted refugee status or humanitarian protection. If your claim is unsuccessful, you have the right to appeal the decision. It's crucial to seek legal advice immediately if you wish to appeal. And that wraps up our overview of how to apply for asylum in the UK. Remember, the asylum process can be complex, and seeking legal advice is crucial to navigate it successfully. Consult with an immigration lawyer or reliable sources such as the UK government's official website for accurate and up-to-date information. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and remember, seeking asylum is a fundamental right for individuals facing persecution. We hope this information helps you understand the process better. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.